Hey YouTube, how you doing? This is Joe over at Alan Ed's Autosound. I'm here in a 2006 Lamborghini Gallardo. Have the basic head unit, basic 4 speakers, 2 in each door. In this car, we just got done doing the Alpine Halo, the ILX-F309. Still has the film on it. Don't mind the bubbles. I'll let the client peel that off. But this is a full 9-inch screen that sits on the surface with some angle adjustment. Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, satellite radio, and best of all, it's a pretty tight fit in this car, and you're limited to rear visibility, so we're able to add a reverse camera when you're in reverse. Back to neutral or park, it shuts off. Neat thing about this unit, you can actually select camera while you're driving. Once again, this is Joe over at Alan Ed's Autosound in a Lamborghini Gallardo with an Alpine ILX F309. Give us a call, 310-827-8121. Thanks, YouTube.